Hey y'all, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode of Griddle Porn. We're going with cheesesteaks tonight. Uh, didn't want to do a big fancy meal, but we're making our sandwiches fancy, I guess. Got fresh cut pepper and onion. We've got it. I see what meat to use. This is what I'm using. Now if we can get it open. Throw some meat on there. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's cooking fast. Too fast. No. Okay. But wait, there's more. Let's put a little bit of butter over here in the middle. Maybe. Yeah. My lovely assistant doesn't care for shrooms, but I like shrooms. I'm going to throw 2 shrooms on there. That should be plenty. Also, my custom seasoning blend. Which will make it worse or make it better. Well, I'm not sure which yet. Okay, this isn't breaking up like I was hoping it would. That's no, oh no, I've used that one before. Never mind. I've seen the chefs on YouTube and all the cooking shows just use their spatulas and break all this stuff apart, cut it apart. It's not working for me tonight, so we'll cheat and use a knife. Okay, we got it all up here in the corner. Let's break out spatula number 2 and try not to make too big of a mess. It's cooking up a lot faster than anything else, even though it's trimmed down low. Turn this, I thought I had it turned up. Don't want to get my shrooms mixed up with any peppers and onions she's eating. Ooh. Love the smell of those shrooms on the griddle with butter. Yummy. I know, Baja. Now they're getting some cooking done. Turn that all the way down to low. It's about sandwich length, don't you think? Aha, I see your ball. So let's just dump some mushrooms on one half. Oops. Getting a good something on the peppers and onions. Okay. Turn this down a little. What do you say we add some cheese? The lovely assistant wants to go with her shredded pizza cheese. So she's getting a whole bunch of shredded pizza cheese. Whole bunch. Okay. I think I'll go with Havarti. What do you say? Got Havarti left from my grilled cheese experiment. Yummy. What do you think, Baja? So, we got that and that. Got this here. It's too big for my dome. That won't work. Okay, we'll skip the doming. I've skipped it before. Just helps the cheese melt is all. So, we got store-baked bread as our bun this time. And hopefully my knife will be sharp enough to cut through it. Hopefully. Doesn't want to go down easy. It's putting up a fight. We can cut him. We have the technology. Okay. I'm going to use the griddle or butter the griddle technique this time. Maybe. Let's see how that works. Getting our bread on. That's good bread. See, the cheese is melting nicely. I got some nice little melted cheese. Oh, look at the melty cheese. Ooh, it's hot. In case you didn't know, melted cheese can get hot. Look at that. See the cheese? Now it's cool. It's almost cold enough to touch. Can you see it? Yum. Could sell that separate. Griddled cheese. Okay. See how our bread's looking. That's pretty much toasty. Let's turn all this off. And now for the fun part. Trying to get this monstrosity onto the bread. Maybe we'll do it in 2 scoops. There's 1 scoop. There's the other scoop. Yum, look at that. Yummy, gooey, ooey mess. The way you want your sandwich to be. Especially if it's Havarti with mushrooms. Oh, and the griddled cheese. I'll take a look at the mess before I throw it on a plate or platter. What do you think? Does that tickle your fancy? Yum. Extreme close up. It's hard to do while I'm holding you on a tripod, I know. I'm sorry. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it. You could watch me spill everything trying to put it onto my platter, but I think I'll let you skip that part today. You've laughed at me enough as it is. So, thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. Oh, there's a view of the valley and the sun. Isn't that pretty? Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.